Hello, my name is Bob Kaburski with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering Team. This video covers the TOS, or pop-up notifications, provided for incoming calls or instant messages to the Avaya Flare Communicator for iPad device. It also covers how to change the alert styles and other options related to the notifications. The Avaya Flare Communicator for iPad application will automatically display a toast message for incoming calls or instant messages. These messages may vary slightly on how and where they are displayed. It's dependent on what the user is doing with the application or what state the iPad is in at the time the toast is generated. They will also vary depending on what notification setting or alert style is selected. Here is an example of a typical incoming call toast with the Avaya Flare Communicator application in the foreground. Here is an example of a call toast when using another application on the iPad. This is an example of a call toast when on an active IM session. Here is an example of a call toast when the iPad is in a locked state. Under any of these conditions, the user is given the option to answer or ignore by pressing the corresponding button. A call that is ignored will be logged as a missed call in the history log and will be routed to the user's coverage path, such as voicemail. Unanswered instant messages will be logged in the IM history fan. Finally, with Apple's iOS 5, there is the ability to change notification options for the Avaya Flare Communicator application. To view or change any of these options, select the iPad settings icon. Then select Notifications, and now navigate to the Avaya Flare Communicator app. The Communicator notification option screen will open. As you can see, the Notification Center is defaulted to on, and the Show setting defaults to 5 items. These settings are related to the Apple's Notification Center on your iPad. There are 3 alert style options: None, Banners, and Alerts. It's the user's preference how the Avaya Flare Communicator for iPad alerts will be displayed when not directly using the application. As you can see, alerts require an action before proceeding, where banners will appear at the top of the screen and go away automatically. With the badge app icon set to on, the number of missed calls will be displayed on the Avaya Flare Communicator icon. Sound option set to off will silence any ringing or other sound indications generated by the Avaya Flare Communicator application. The View in Lock screen set to on will display alert messages if the iPad is in the locked mode. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful. We welcome questions, comments, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.